Hey guys, workout it is, lifestyle vlogs. Welcome to my channel, Shelly's Jamaican Bickle and Lifestyle. So here's a week worth of like gym activities that I did and I was able to vlog. Here I started off the week after some stretches, a stair climber burning 500 calories, and I said why not start a vlog and give some lifestyle vlogs and to show you some of what I consumed in a particular week when I didn't want to consume meat. Here I'm making like breakfast like 2-3 hours after. I will be doing an omelette with cottage cheese. Cottage cheese has 13 grams of protein and your girl need muscle, so we need protein. So I beat my eggs and I added spinach, purple onions, tomato, bell pepper. Feel free to add mushroom, whatever you want, because that's your business and it is your meal. Now this omelette that I'll be doing is not a folding omelette, but it's an omelette. It's also called an omelette. The cottage cheese is a little bit chewy. It has a lot of water content in it, so it makes the egg like really soggy. So this will not be an omelette that I fold. Now I added 2 tablespoons of cottage cheese to my eggs and beat your eggs. I added a little milk in mine too. Then I added a little teaspoon of olive oil, added in my tomato, bell pepper, my spinach. Add as much spinach as you want because once it catches the spinach, it shrinks. Then I'll be tossing my eggs and cottage cheese. Feel free to only use egg white, which is lots of protein. I really don't like the egg white, and especially with cottage cheese that I don't like the taste, I opted to add the whole egg. I added cayenne pepper, salt, and black pepper on my egg with some chili peppers because that's my business. And then I leave on medium to low heat. This week when I decided to start doing some lifestyle vlogs, I decided to just show you a little bit of my meals that I consumed during the time or the week when I didn't want to consume any meat. Different types of shakes that I made and some of the options for breakfast that I choose, because once you go in the gym you get tired and you get hungry. Some of what I consume. Keep your eggs on medium heat. You don't want a burned egg. And remember now, the cottage cheese is a little watery, so this is not really a fold. It will not fold, it will crush up. If it was the regular omelette without cottage cheese, then you are able to fold this. This is gonna break up because of the cottage cheese. Now on this day I'll be doing a blueberry shake, chia seed, almonds, blueberry, a plant-based protein shake that I use, a little peanut butter, and of course I use a little tidbit of ripe banana and some ice. Added a little milk, got it all together, and then you just add on your NutriBullet. And that in itself was, I would say, breakfast and lunch for me, which was my cottage cheese omelette and my blueberry shake. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I recently changed my name due to a compromise with my account. So my new account is now Shelly's Jamaican Bickle and Lifestyle. I'll be giving you lifestyle vlogs to include gym workout, shopping, lots of travel vlogs that will be coming up shortly after this, and a little bit of my lifestyle vlog. So my breakfast / lunch is done, and before I eat it, I had to add a little sauce to it. I do enjoy it. In the afternoon, snack for me was kiwi, blackberry, and some cherries. Onto it the next day in the gym, just showing you some of what I do when I go in after warm up, some of the machines that I use that I was able to like capture a video to show you. This was another day, and this workout day, it was like lots of weights on this particular day. So each day I go in, there are certain areas that I try to target. One day I might do weights, and then another day I might do like leg. It depends when I go in. So this was what I was able to capture during a week. And on this day, it was a lot of weights. You want additional muscle, or to build additional muscle, it's a lot of weightlifting. But because I am not really a vlogger like that, I don't bring a stand to vlog. I just put my phone down and to capture little moments for you to see what I do and how I do it. A girl need to get a flat tummy. Yes, so a girl been working and trying to get myself also in good shape and also in excellent health. So I do hope that you will enjoy these vlogs. Drop in the comment section and let me know how you work out, if you work out, or what do you consider as a healthy lifestyle. Feel free to drop a comment and let me know. But I'll be providing you with not only cooking videos, but also a little bit of lifestyle vlogs. It's been a while I haven't done a live, and I will shortly. It's just time and a lot going on. And then these kettlebells, trying to get them side and the back, yes, in shape too, to get off some of the fat. This was the same day, lots of weight on this day, and I was not able to like capture everything, so I'm just showing you a little bit of what I was able to like capture on this particular day. And each week I try to go in the gym at least 3 to 4 days out of the week, and I try to use the treadmill as often as, and also the stair climber, which is a really good one. And there's another one which is more like an incline. I don't remember that one, but I try to use those to burn as much calories as I can each week when I go in. So I have a set schedule on what to do. So on another particular day, this was how much calories I burned, and this time it was on the treadmill, not the stair climber. Here I made, for another day's breakfast brunch, I did like a vanilla shake where I used oatmeal, which was cut steel oats, yogurt, the regular protein powder. I use almond in this, a little hint of vanilla, cinnamon, the regular milk, and I added in this one ripe banana to do a vanilla shake. Add as much cinnamon as you want because that's your business. And on this morning I did not eat any egg. It's not every day that I eat egg, maybe once per week, because I am not a big fan of egg either. I made my vanilla shake, and that was it for breakfast for me, with a little chia seed also, and that kept me for a couple hours, I would say maybe 4 hours. For lunch one day, I did an avocado toast. With avocado, I toasted my bread, and it's a whole wheat bread. And then I added tomato, cucumber, lettuce in my toast. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to give the video a like if you haven't yet subscribed. What are you waiting on? My next upload will be a travel vlog. Stay tuned.